We have balot.
Let's eat balot. We have balot and Dada has...
Penoy.
Where is it?
Penoy. H. Higupin.
Yeah, Penoy na higupin. There are two kinds of Penoy, higupin and
Dry.
Dry.
tuyo.
Dry.
Tuyo ang pangalan niya.
Tuyo.
Tuyo.
Penoy.
Higupin.
Penoy is the Penoy. Penoy na tuyo. Then
And
Penoy na
higupin.
Yeah.
The Penoy na tuyo is a little like hard-boiled egg.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pero parang it tastes different.
I
This
think it tastes
one.
the
Some,
same.
yeah.
You like the higupin?
No.
Really?
I like this more.
Ah, you like the balot better.
Yeah.
Pero you also eat the higupin.
Sometimes, but I like this more than that. And if I had to choose over that, I choose this.
You'll choose balot.
Because it's good. I like the soup.
The soup. Do you know they call the soup daw the pee
Of
of
the
the duck? You like that?
Yeah, I guess it's good.
How about Dada? Do you eat balot?
At times. But not all the time.
Dada eats balot. Kaya lang.
She doesn't really like it.
Or he gives me the sisiw. He eats everything, pero he gives the sisiw to me. Kasi hindi niya, ewan ko dyan, hindi niya masyadong type. Naawa ka ba? O hindi mo lang type yung lasa?
Hindi ko lang type.
Okay, sige, kumain na tayo. Ay, which one? Ako, I want balot.
How?
Who's eating balot? You.
Me.
Okay.
Of course, me.
Do you know how to open the balot?
Not really.
Yan.
You have to check daw yung parang round and then parang pointed.
This is the pointed. This is
O
the
sige, you
round.
try it. Sa round ka dapat magkaganon. Yeah, okay. Tapos you'll feel, ayan, tama yan. Hey! Sobra. Don't play. That's food. Okay. Kain tayo now.
Open it.
You put it here na lang the eggshells.
Inside.
Yep.
Whoa. It's not open.
Ay, maliktod. Mali yung bukas ko. Pero,
Yeah, I got it open a bit. Check it out. I open it.
that's a balot. Hindi ka naku-queasy sa balot.
It's queasy.
Parang may a bit iwi, gano'n.
No.
Hindi?
No.
It's masarap for you? It's yummy for you?
Yeah. My classmates don't like balot.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you know? Usapan niyo to?
Yeah. In school.
Mm-hmm.
Hele.
Eh, Dada,
Hey, sorry.
don't do that. Kasi na. Ayun. Sorry. You just remove the shell.
Sa akin yun.
Puro sa'yo yun. Oh, you.
Si Dada, kapag nagbabalot siya,
Looks like a brain.
he puts
Salt.
salt and vinegar. Ako,
I hate vinegar.
tayo,
We don't like vinegar.
hindi, we don't put anything.
Yeah.
Personally, I feel the balot,
It's good by itself.
yes, masarap na siya, malasa na siya, or you don't need to put anything na. Matulin sa baw. Kayo, kumakain kayong balot? Sino kumakain ng balot? Tell us. Who eats balot?
Put it down in the comment
Tangkal?
section.
Ano na hindi ba siya nakakakain, no? Ayan. Yo,
Ay,
cut the
I
balot.
already ate the yellow part.
That's the yellow part.
Look.
Yan yung sayo.
It looks like a normal.
Ano? Baliw. Ano ba?
It's the birdie. Leg. See him?
Sorry.
Unhatched.
Yeah.
So the arm
Eat that
is
kasi.
his bones. Bones are so soft.
We already ate our meal before
We
eating
ate
balot.
this.
Kasi sabi,
It-
Sabi
Bawal
ng
daw to.
matanda, bawal daw kain ng balot ng
empty stomach.
empty stomach.
Hindi ako sure kung
There's a science on it.
yeah, or
Logic.
how true that is. Pero, hindi lang namin ginagawa. Kasi, I don't know, baka.
Baka totoo.
Mm.
Baka hindi. Who knows?
So,
Sabi
whenever we eat balot, we make sure,
We eat first.
yeah. Kunain ko yung nasa dibdib. Sayang eh.
I was gonna eat. No, just kidding. I didn't know that it was there. Is this edible? First.
Yun daw yung tawag nila bato.
Ah. That's my tooth mark.
Sarap po.
Soup. I like the soup of this. So soupy. They say it's the duckling's pee, but I don't care if it's pee. It's
I don't think it
delicious
is.
pee.
Ano, tingnan mo kung paano naging higupin to. Just higop.
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 It's
Delicious.
duck egg this evening.
Duck egg evening.
Kain, let's eat. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.